वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनम्
देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं जगद्गुरुम्
स्वागतं कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण स्वागतं कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण मधुरापुरी सदना मृदुवदना मधुसूदनैः स्वागतं कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण मधुरापुरी सदना मृदुवदना मधुसूदनैः स्वागतं कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण
मधुरापुरी सदना मृदुवदना मधुसूदनाय
स्वागतं कृष्ण
कृष्ण
प्रभु गिरिधारी
प्रभु गिरिधारी 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 चलो मन गंगा
यमुना तीर
चलो मन
गंगा यमुना तीर मीरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर मीरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर गिरिधर नागर गिरिधर नागर मीरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर चरण कमल पर सिर
चलो मन
चरण कमल पर सिर
चलो मन
गंगा यमुना तीर
चलो मन
गंगा यमुना तीर
जमुना तीर जमुना तीर
First of all, I should thank Indian Raga for giving me another opportunity to do the labs in Boston. So far, I had been working with Indian Raga on labs where I was pretty much working on the Carnatic compositions, but this was my first opportunity to work with both the Carnatic and the Hindustani group. And even more interesting thing was the age group varied pretty much. So it was from 9 until 17. So the composition had to be planned such that it could encompass the gamut of the age and make sure the composition had enough details about the Carnatic music's beauty and Hindustani music's beauty.
It was fun. I've never really had a recording studio experience before, so it was good to be to be introduced to new things.
And I also like the fact that we were in different rooms and it was so sophisticated.
Yeah.
I think apart from the recording, I really enjoyed how we could think as a team to figure out how to orient the pieces, and I thought it actually all came out really well in the end.
We met this great guy named Hersha. He's really cool.
Thank you.
And it was also great to work with these people, and we worked as a team, and we made a solid product.
And when you have to really like fine tune all the notes, like get it precise, you can't just like listen to it and hear it, and then you really like hear your errors a lot more.
I think it's really challenging with the pronunciations and how you have to sing with the Mokam's very different too. I've never been exposed to Indian music like ever, so this is my first time. I've noticed that it's really hard to do, especially for our vocalists here. And when I always complain to my dad, oh, I have to carry this huge, big, fat instrument to school, now I can see that they have a much harder job.